back out at the Four Seasons job and trying to finalize the sheetrock spackle today, as well as get our power line run. Now what we're doing is tying into the main breaker box, and we're just going to come along the edge of the house, just digging in at the edge of the house, and this electrical line will be in conduit and it'll be protected. And then when we come out here, it'll just come out a little ways and turn and go right underneath of the room. Now we're ready to start putting the conduit in and pulling the wire. And I like to have the bell end of the pipe facing toward where I'm pulling my wire from. And then I've got my wire set up on a shovel handle so they'll spin freely, and I could pull off my 10 and 14 gauge wires and just pull them through the conduit and on around. And I'm going to pull it through each section of conduit as I go, as opposed to trying to pull the entire length after the fact. It's just a little bit easier that way. Now we've got the wire in the conduit. The conduit's glued together. Trench is getting backfilled by Super Dave Adams. It goes up under the porch, and we'll be tying in all of our electrical. What's going on, Pro Cutters? Here on New Year's Day, I'm gonna go ahead and get the final spots that we touched up yesterday sanded, and go ahead and prime and paint all the sheetrock flat white. one coat of paint on. I gotta cut in the corners and just hit that one side next to the door, and it'll be good to go.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Dave. I want you to do me a really, really big favor. I want you to go to my buddy John's from the ProCuts channel. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Just do what I tell you to do, okay? Thanks.